A vision from God turns into a father and sons burying people in the backyard bonding session starring Matthew McConaughey.
But like, you hear yourself, right?
Max crash landed from outer space. He imprinted on the first face. Could have met a world leader or a scientist, but he met Matt, and now he's pissed. Instead of learning about our world and how it clicks, he's stuck watching Matt's favorite flicks. Deep Cuts with Matt and Max.
Hi, I'm Matt Catanzano, and this is my such a close friend that he's practically my brother, Max.
No relation.
Tonight I'm showing Max 2001's underrated gem, Frailty.
What kind of name is that?
Well, I think it refers to the weakness and vulnerability, both mentally and physically, of two young boys who are dealing with the fact that their father's begun murdering people for God.
I am so sorry I asked.
Yeah, it's a dark and disturbing, unsettling movie, but let's start at the beginning. The movie begins with newspaper clippings, true crime stuff, black and white photos, and a couple brief glimpses of the serial killer's nickname, the God's Hand Killer.
Yo, Paulie!
Then we're at the FBI headquarters late at night, like we're starting an episode of The X-Files.
And like Mulder, I want to believe this movie is good.
Oh, it is, and it's about to get even better, because we meet Matthew McConaughey, and he isn't even shirtless. He has layers on, Max. Layers.
Sometimes truth defies reason.
To be fair, he begins to tell a story, and as soon as he does, they cut to him shirtless. But, you know, he's telling a story about relaxing at home, and that's how everybody relaxes. At home. Shirtless.
Livin.
That guy can't keep a shirt on.
No one wants him to.
All right.
Now look, this isn't Sahara or Ghosts of Girlfriends Past McConaughey.
That's not the real name of a movie, is it?
Yeah, my friend plays one of the groomsmen. But like, when True Detective Season 1 came out, everybody was like, where did this come from? And the answer is here. Or at the very least, it's hinted at here, in 2001. Time surely is a flat circle.
Time is a flat circle. Why should I live in history, huh?
So, he's sad and angsty and awards ready, rather than beefcakey and horny?
To that I say, all right.
Yeah. Because he knows who the God's Hand Killer is. It's his own brother. And he goes to the FBI to tell Deadwood's own Powers Booth.
Now that's a name!
Nobody just walks into the office and tells you who the killer is. It just doesn't happen that way.
Adam is the God's Hand Killer, Agent Dawn.
Excuse me a minute.
And so, he tells him who it is, and there's an exciting chase to capture the serial killer?
No, the killer's already dead.
Oh, so the movie's basically over?
No.
What?
I haven't finished yet.
Oh, there's more?
A lot more.
That's just the framework. The bulk of the story is a drama about these two young boys living with their father in Texas in 1979. They're a normal, well-adjusted family.
Say, how'd you do on that math test?
They even go to the movies just like us.
We're gonna go see the Warriors.
Can't. It's rated R.
We'll sneak in.
Just like us. But which one of us is the murderer?
You. Definitely you.
Well, this happy family life doesn't last very long, because about 15 minutes into the movie, the dad gets some very interesting information.
The end of the world is coming. It's near. The angel showed me. We've been chosen by God. He will protect us. He's given us special jobs to do.
So, he has a mission from God?
Yep. Like the Blues Brothers or a real Flanders Rod and Todd situation.
I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart.
Where?
Down in my heart.
We're down in my heart to stay. And if the devil doesn't like it, he can sit on attack. Out! Sit on attack. Out!
So, what does God want them to do?
Well, instead of love thy neighbor,
Oh, no.
God wants them to kill thy neighbor.
Uh-huh.
But thy neighbor is a demon.
Oh.
Maybe.
Woof.
We destroy them. We pick them up one by one and we pitch them out of this world. That's God's purpose for us.
Well, I guess that's kind of cool.
Yeah, and God gives them special weapons to do it.
Magical weapons?
I imagine so.
Okay. Magic weapons, slaying demons. I mean, what kind of magic weapons do they have? Is it a sword? Is it a laser? Maybe it's something from my home planet that you humans shouldn't know about. But like God told the screenwriter, so it'll be like, what do you call them? An Easter egg, but for me?
Well, there's a couple small problems.
Of course there are.
The special weapons from God are a pair of gloves, an axe named Otis, and a metal pipe.
Dad, that doesn't make any sense.
And the demons...
Dad, these are people's names.
That's right. And they'll look like people, too.
So no one else can tell they're demons?
No.
And we're supposed to take his word for it?
Yes. But he doesn't look crazy.
Soon we'll all be in heaven.
So a dad begins killing people in front of his 2 young sons.
With the help of his 2 young sons.
That's terrible.
Not right.
No, Adam. Do it like this.
But the movie works because of how well it handles the disturbing nature of what's going on.
Man, you gotta love small towns.
A lot of the credit for this movie can go to one man, the amazing Bill Paxton. Bill Paxton is incredible in everything that he does.
Game over, man. It's game over.
There's an old movie with him where he's with Bill Pullman, so both Bills are in one movie, and it's called Brain Dead, and the cover of it is like a stretched face.
Matt.
Sorry. This is Paxton's directorial debut, and he crushes it both in front of and behind the camera. I mean, check out his haunting, faith-filled stare.
Dad, don't!
Chilling.
Yeah, and look how handsomely that's shot. Ooh, speaking of great shots, let's do some favorites. Favorite shot. Favorite dissolve. Favorite insult.
Butthole.
Favorite, that's not helpful, Sheriff.
Well, to hit puberty, seemed to lose all respect for you.
Favorite album cover shot.
I saw God. He finally sent me a vision.
Favorite not crazy at all vision of an angel. Favorite cut. See, that shot is a great example of how Paxton controls the narrative. We see what he sees, but then we also see what everybody else sees. It'd be a hilarious cut if...
The movie wasn't about people being chopped up with an axe in front of children?
Exactly.
He's right.
But, okay, are we supposed to believe him or the kids?
Start asking the right questions.
As told from the oldest son's perspective, it definitely leans in the skeptical viewpoint, but it's never explicit either way. Until the end.
What?
Dad kills people. No, he doesn't. He's a demon slayer.
Why doesn't the oldest son just go to the police?
That was easier
He's
said
scared.
than done.
It's his dad, after all. He loves and trusts him. Imagine if I went to you and I was like, we have to kill.
Arrested. Immediately. I'd turn you in so fast. I may call them just because you floated the hypothetical out there.
I'll tell.
If you do, someone will die.
Where's McConaughey during all of this?
Here.
He's laying it all out there for the FBI, while he takes Powers on a road trip to go see some dead bodies.
You guys want to go see a dead body?
You don't want to get on I-30 East up here.
I thought you said this was a drama.
It is. Even though there's a bunch of axe killings, there's very little blood or gore.
May God welcome you and keep you.
Roger Ebert, in his 4-star review of this movie, said it's not a movie about blood, but about obsession.
Ebert liked it?
Yeah.
All right, that's a good sign. Let's watch this thing.
Yeah, Frailty. Ignore the name, ignore the tagline, no soul is safe, that's kinda lame. Ignore the kind of bargain bin DVD cover art. It's actually a well-directed, well-written, well-acted, well-shot, disturbing, slow-burn little thriller.
That's not opened.
Yeah, this is actually my copy from when I used to work at a Hollywood Video in Medford, Massachusetts. I guess I never opened it.
But you've seen it.
Oh, I've seen the movie plenty of times, but a lot of times I'll buy a movie, and then because I've already seen it, I won't open it. I'll just have it to have it. You know, I actually still have my shirt from when I used to work at Hollywood Video. It's this purple button-down, and it actually still fits.
Hey, Matt?
Yeah?
Can I borrow your phone?
Sure.
Thanks. Thank you.
You gonna call somebody to tell them about my awesome Hollywood Video shirt from when I used to work at a Hollywood Video store?
No. I'm gonna call the cops. You're definitely a murderer.
Not a murderer. I'm just a white male with obsessive-compulsive tendencies who likes to hold on to things like trophies.
Yeah, hey, 911, I think I caught a killer.
You didn't catch me.
No, I will not hold.
Boo! Hi!